Hey, what's up? This is Anik here. So after so many days making video, sorry about that. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the Poco M3 smartphone, which was launched about a month ago in India, and this was launched globally in 2020. So let's find out, is the Poco M3 worth or not, and should you buy it or not? Let's check it out. So before we begin, let's do a quick unboxing of the smartphone. So here you have the box, which is in typical yellow color, Poco yellow color, I would say. So let's open it. So I'm doing it fast forward. So here inside the box you have your smartphone, TPU, transparent case, and your charger, USB Type-C cable. So first of all, I'm telling you the price in India. So this is priced at 11,000 rupees, the base variant, 6 plus 64 GB, and you have a 6 plus 128 GB option as well. And in global like US, it's under $150. So we will check, is it worth under $150 or 11,000 rupees. So first of all, let's talk about the design. And guys, I'm being honest with you that I like the design of this smartphone. So as you can see inside the bag, you have a gigantic camera array, but hey, camera sensor is small as well. And back material is polycarbonate, has a little bit of small texture in it, like older Samsung devices. And here you can play music with this texture, you know what I mean. To be honest, this is good. This is better than the glossy plastic bags because they're just disgusting, because they attract so much fingerprints and scratches. And yeah, this material is very good. It's fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant as well, but hey, this is plastic, so if you drop the phone, this will probably break. So in this gigantic camera module, you have triple camera setup. One is 48, then 2 plus 2 macro, which is, we all know, these are useless cameras for all time. So I'm counting it as one camera. So this is a single camera system which is 48 megapixels. And yeah, talking about selfie camera, this has 8 megapixel selfie camera in a dewdrop notch cutout, and this has 6.5 inches full HD plus display, which is very good for its price point. Usually you don't get full HD plus displays in this range, but thanks Poco for providing us full HD plus display. Okay, now talking about camera samples. So this has 48 megapixels camera, and for this price I would say it's done a pretty good job. Not that great, but yeah, this is far better than some of the random companies like Techno, Infinix, whatever. This is better. And the 80 megapixel selfie camera has done a pretty good job. I never expected this result. And to be honest, I like the selfie camera than the regular 48 megapixel sensor. And here you have some interesting quick editing features in the gallery app. You have blur control options in your selfies, like portrait selfies obviously, and some cool, cinematic or studio type effects. I like these effects, and you can see these effects. These are good actually, and for quick editing, this has done a pretty good job. And talking about the performance, this has Snapdragon 662 processor, which was used by a lot of devices previously. And yes, this is a very good processor. For its price, this is good. And I prefer Snapdragon 662 over the MediaTek processors in this price segment, like Helio G70 or G80. Like those MediaTek processor will provide you good performance, but if you push the processor a bit, like intensive gaming, this will give you better performance, but these have heating issues too. And in Snapdragon, this will provide you better performance with lesser heating issues than the MediaTek. So yeah, Snapdragon 662 is a very good processor. And talking about the UI or the software skin, to be honest, I really hate this Xiaomi's Mi UI. I used to love it, but now this is full of junk, ads, everything. So in Poco devices, this is a little bit of tweak version of Xiaomi's Mi UI. But hey, if you don't really care about the UI, you should probably go with this smartphone, because this has better cameras, better display, and yeah, better processor. Like, how much features do you want under a 11,000 rupee smartphone? This is enough. Expect the UI or the phone skin, like I'm talking about Mi UI, you can go with this smartphone. But hey, one point, if you are switching from a upper mid-range or any flagship smartphone to this, please don't do it. Your experience will worse than anything you have experienced in your life. Because hey, this is a budget, what do you say, off-range smartphone, and so please don't switch to the smartphone if you are using already a flagship smartphone. But finally, this is a very good smartphone under $150 or 11,000 rupees. You can go with the smartphone again if you don't care that much about the UI. That's for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to connect more close with me, so then check out my social media links which is in description, and subscribe this channel if you like this video. And if you have any queries, please comment down below, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.